I hope and wish everybody is healthy and happy. This is Shifali and today I have got you yet another haul on bling jewelry. This time I have got our pearl collection. Before I begin this video, for the benefit of all those people who do not know where the bling jewelry comes from, whom should we contact, bling jewelry is from our own manufacturing unit. All the pieces are available at wholesale prices. We do delivery worldwide. As far as contact details are concerned, you need to contact Divya Malhotra. I'll provide her details in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So pearl is something that looks good with every attire, be it ethnic or western. So if you are wearing kurta sets, saris, dresses, shirts, printed shirts especially, and satin, then pearl is the go-to choice of yours. I consider this as the most sophisticated way of dressing up. So I would say whenever in doubt, don't give second thoughts, just go for pearls. I'm wearing this beautiful 5-tiered pearl necklace piece with crystal brooches. Look at this. This looks extremely adorable. If you would ask me, this would go best with ethnic. This is a standalone necklace and would go best without earrings. But if you want us to make earrings, we can do that because we do customization. So another one is this elegant one-line necklace piece. This can go well with western also. So here I have got you the never out of fashion 3-layered choker necklace piece made out of pearls. It has a beautiful crystal brooch in the middle. I would again like to stress that although some of the necklaces do not have earrings with them because we like them standalone and most of our customers like it to be standalone. However, if you want earrings or just studs to go with it, we can customize according to your choice. Absolutely in love with this piece. Choker looks so elegant, especially people who have long neck. It just enhances the entire look. This is another stunning piece. It's a 4-layered pearl necklace and 2 layers just on the top. Has a beautiful brooch in the middle in maroon color. Love the style, truly. It's a Rani Har actually. I can't tell you how beautiful do I feel whenever I wear bling jewelry, because obviously jewelries are to enhance your beauty. These are the embellishments that would make any person beautiful, be it a man or a woman. Time for another look. So this is a 3-layered pearl and beads necklace with a brooch in the middle and a crystal. Obviously, when you are wearing a necklace which is on a little heavier side, then always go for light earrings. I would repeat that most of these sets are on clearance sale right now because we are promoting it online. Although we are into business since 3 years now, but we were only selling to resellers. Lately, we have started selling it to individuals also. Get ready to look like $1,000,000 with this absolutely amazing 4-layered pearls neck piece. Matching studs are available. This is a 2-layered pearl and beads necklace. In the middle you can see there's a brooch. The entire look is looking so elegant. As I already told you, pearl is something that is evergreen and looks beautiful. Goes out with almost any outfit that you wear. This necklace has 2 drops earrings. As I told you, when we make something little heavy, then the earrings has to be on a little lighter side so that it doesn't cram up your look. There are many women who think that if they are wearing green outfit, then only they can wear something which has green in it. No, this is not the case. Contrast is what is so in these days. So if you are wearing yellow, put something green, or you are wearing black, pink, go for green. If you are wearing something blue, go for yellow. So it is all about mix and match. Oops, I forgot to give you a closer view of the necklace, so I'm doing it right now for you. So this is my another look. A 4-layered pearl necklace, 2 layers on top, one beautiful green colored brooch in the middle. You can have a closer look. Another piece, as you can see. No, this is necklace only. So this is little undone. This was in the making and I quickly picked it up from my father. I couldn't resist myself. I wanted to show it to you because this is a beautiful neck piece. So look at these tiny pearl chains. And this is a beautiful Meenakari pendant. This is its front and the one that I showed you was its back. How beautiful and vibrant this is. So this is its second part. So although it needs to be entwined, I'm literally breaking his piece. He's going to scold me. So if we entwine it like this, it will become a necklace. It will be done today, but so you can still have a look. What should be the other one? Which one should I pick for you? Oh yes, this one. Single necklace, no earrings. It's so easy and quick to wear it, no jhanjat, and feels so comfortable in your neck. How trendy this is. So one of our motives in Bling is to make you feel comfortable in whatever you are wearing. So the jewelry sets which are transported to you are so comfortable and easy to wear. They are not so heavy on your neck unless of course they are bridal sets. Yes, this brings me to tell you that we do make bridal sets also. This is a beautiful 3-layered necklace with maroon beads and 2 brooches here. The brooches are looking vibrant, giving a lively look to you. Love the detailing here. So this is again a Rani Har and is on a little heavier side. So we have not added earrings with this piece. However, I'll push it again. Everything could be customized as per your needs. This piece that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to wear it. We'll just show you in my hand because this is another color in the green necklace set that I had shown you. in this video itself. Only the brooch is different here. It's in tomato red color. So last is a bit different one, as I had saved for you, and in a different color. This is an exotic neck piece in glass stones and pearls. There's a beautiful brooch in this necklace. So cosmopolitan. I'm ending my Pearl special episode right here. I hope you liked watching it as much as I liked making it for you. I would like to tell you again that delivery is available worldwide. Return option is also available, but TNC attached. Please go ahead guys and do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Feel free to put in your comments. It feels so encouraged when you support it with your love. Stay tuned because there's a lot more I'm going to bring for you. Keep smiling, stay pretty, bye bye.